We stayed a total of 2 nights in Pirates Haven. These cabins are as incredible as the owners themselves, Ruth and Paul, who are amazing people who can take you on an ATV excursion or guide you on a salmon fishing adventure, or simply provide you with great advice on things to do on the west coast of Newfoundland. At supper, Ruth overheard us talking about bake apple and partridge berry jam and heard that Steve and Stacy had never tried it before. So the next morning for breakfast, she brought from her home her homemade batch of bake apple and partridge berry jam for us all to try. It was incredibly generous and the jam was amazing. As we left Robinson's heading to hike the Erin Mountain trail, we spotted a cow moose on the side of the highway. Before we knew it, she ran straight out in front of the car behind us, just as Stacy snapped these pictures. The car slammed on its brakes and came to a screeching halt, avoiding an accident. It was an intense few seconds for sure. Remember, moose are everywhere, so you need to drive with caution on Newfoundland highways. The Erin Mountain Trail is just 57 kilometers from Pirates Haven on the west coast of Newfoundland near Stephenville Crossing and is in the Barachois Pond Provincial Park. The lower part of the trail is an easy boardwalk that leads to a lookout over Barachois Pond and the campground below. The upper part climbs to 340 meters for an amazing panoramic view of Bay St. George, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and the Long Range Mountains. Newfoundland Tourism says the round-trip hike is 7.2 kilometers in and out and will take you 2 hours. But we spent 4 hours captivated by the beauty, resting on the cliffs and cooling off in the lake afterwards. Alltrails.com rated it as a moderate climb, so you need to be in reasonable shape to go to the top. And reviews give it a 4.7 out of 5. However, I give it a 10 out of 5 because it was stunning and beautiful.
It's cool how the park staff have trained them to do that for the visitors.
Journey of 1,000 steps.
How's the hike, ladies?
It's a doozy.
Yeah, this is not moderate. This is difficult for short-legged people. It's
What-
First half, great boardwalk all the way. After the boardwalk, they hit you with the stairs.
The killers.
It's up.
But we get this beauty.
It's worth it.
Guys, what do you think of this view?
Spectacular.
Worth the hike.
Lovely, cool
Yeah,
breeze.
sure.
See for miles.
It was torturous, but it's worth the view.
Looking forward to the trip down.
Yes, actually I am.
Don't say trip. It was beautiful. We've had 2 lovely hikes. Yesterday at, what was the name of it?
Robinson's Head.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh, Sugarloaf.
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 So yesterday, Sugarloaf, and down to the ocean along a rock beach. Listening
was
to the
nice.
pebbles being pulled out to the ocean was lovely. And then
Today's Erin
today's
Trail.
Erin, yeah.
In Barachois Park.
Yep.
Beautiful.
It's a nice, slow, easy ride, and then lots of
Lots
steps,
of steps.
to get the height.
The aunties
To the
would not
summit.
like this.
No.
Beautiful.
What a view.
Looking forward to putting my feet in at the bottom. In the
And-
lake.
Yes.
In the lake.
And just where you're standing right now, Joanne saw a moose. We didn't see it, so we don't believe her.
Suckers. Don't be haters.
We left Erin Mountain and checked into the Glen Mill Inn in Corner Brook. And minutes later, we left for the spectacular scenic drive along the coast to Loch Harbour. There we had a great meal at a local pub right on the water. Despite the wind and cool weather, we couldn't help but sit outside and enjoy the fantastic scenery. The locals must have thought we were nuts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching. That's got to be it.